din. Ilang may lagay.
Okay, 500 pesos. 15 placer, JB Okanada. Okanada.
Kita ng birth certificate.
Next, 14 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. Brent Ray Lorenzana. Okay, next, 13 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. Josiah Cristanco. Coach,
And percent?
next, 12 placer with a total, with a cash price of 500 pesos. Lance Ian Garcia. Naka-UB rin ito. Next, 11 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. Daryl Wake. Naka-UB rin ulit. Next, 10 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. Rishi R. Sendanya. Next, 9 place with a cash price of 500 pesos. Mark Angel Danabar. Okay, next, 8 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. John Hansel Mandagan. Next, 7 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. Galo ni Paktik. Coach.
Yung sa likod. Bans ka.
Next, 6 placer with a cash price of 500 pesos. Elijah Rin Adaya. Next, 5th placer with a cash price of 1,000 pesos. 5th placer is Romy Pagong.
Oh, bakit naging bagyo yan? Akala ko
Next, 4th placer with a cash price of 2,000 pesos. Wycliffe Armin from Benguet State University. Next, 3rd placer from the University of Baguio with a cash price of 3,000 pesos. Rebon Liston Bustos. Next, 2nd placer with a cash price of 4,000 pesos. and medal, Conrado Agaton III. And now, the top Baguio Benguet player with a cash prize of 5,000 pesos, Daryl Peña Florida, Arena Grandmaster.
GM.
Okay, next for the special awards,